Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. I am a 7th year special education teacher from Wisconsin, and this is another outfits of the week video. And actually this is the last full week of school. Crazy. So today's Monday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we have off Monday for Memorial Day. We're here Tuesday, we're here Wednesday. So 7 days with kids, but it's the end of the day, so really now it's like 6. And then we have teacher work day and professional development that last Thursday, Friday. The end of the year is almost here, but that's not what we're here to talk about. Outfits of the week. Here we go. Headband, Shein, holographic, like always. My sweater is old Walmart. I like that this one has a hood, but I also hate it because I can't wear this to Walmart. Walmart is very anti-hood. So sometimes that's a bummer because I can't just wear a lot of my teacher clothing to Walmart because it doesn't fit the Walmart dress code, but it's fine for teaching. My shirt is an Amazon special, basically like a Barbie knockoff. Cardigan also has pockets, by the way. My skirt is super fun. It's like a holographic material. It is a little thin, so I do have to wear bike shorts. I always wear the Vanity Fair kind, also from Walmart. And then shoes, we had a field trip on Friday and we were talking about my shoe collection, and one of my students was like, well, you don't have Converse. I was like, well, yes, I do have Converse. So I'm wearing kind of like a grayish mint Converse, and they're even customized in the back. I wore them for a wedding as one of the bridesmaids. Because her wedding colors were mint and gray, and I love that we got matching Converse and not heels because I, am a tall human being. I despise heels. Not only am I not friends with that bride anymore, she's not married to that guy anymore because she ran off with a guy that's 3 years younger than my father. I'm 30, she's 30, my dad is 56, so not my cup of tea. But I always think of her when I wear these shoes. They're good shoes. I'm not going to throw away good shoes just because I'm not friends with someone anymore. See you tomorrow! Happy Tuesday. It was a rainy day today. Here's our outfit for the day. Yellow beaded headband. This is Amazon. Yellow cardigan. It's old TJ Maxx. Back in maybe 2018 when this mustard yellow color was just trending all over the place. This is an older Walmart dress. I'd say it's a little more dressier than my normal dress situation. And then legging wise, we have some charcoal gray leggings. These are the Victoria's Secret pink. And then shoes are my holographic bluish Birkenstock. I think this is the Giza style, which is not the normal kind. I literally bought it because it was the only kind that had that blue holographic print. You know me, I like something shiny, nothing new. My earrings are Betsy Johnson, TJ Maxx. Happy Wednesday, friends! Another outfit of the week. Headband is Hello Headband. It's the naughty style. It's cute. No fun earrings today. Really boring black fleece that I've probably had since college. Red school shirt, so that's why it's zipped up all the way. Pants. Black joggers. I kind of thought the light would come on. Black joggers. TJ Maxx, and sandals are glittery Walmart slides from like 2 or 3 years ago. At first I really didn't like them because they were kind of itchy, but the itchy part went away, so that's great. The weather today was like really cold and rainy, so I didn't really want to try to do anything fancy or fun with my outfit, but tomorrow's gonna be a fantastic day, so I'll see you guys tomorrow with a really good outfit. I was literally headed out the door, and then I realized, oh, I didn't film my outfit of the day, and it's Thursday. Guys, we are almost done with the week. Tomorrow's the last actual real day of school. So outfit, the cardigan from Amazon that I wear pretty often, kind of goes with everything. Be Kind shirt, pretty sure it's Shein. Headband is Shein. Backpack is a cow pack, cute, which normally are like over $100, and I got mine on clearance at TJ Maxx for like $40. Very, very lucky. Love that like rose gold color. And I'm too tall for this. A little Dalmatian print skirt that I bought at Target several years ago. Notice the boom whackers in the background. Borrowed them from the music room because it is the only thing keeping us alive right now. We love a boom whacker brain break. Hi friends, and welcome back. Happy Friday, last Friday of the school year. Outfit of the day today. Pink cardigan. It actually closes with the buttons. It is a Walmart cardigan, Time and True brand. Bought it this year. Also came in a lilac color that I kind of regret not buying, but I already have some cardigans in a lilac, so maybe it was a good thing I didn't. Shirt is Teach. I believe it's from the Get Your Teach On, like boutique version of their store. Like, I've never gone to any of their presentations or anything. And my jeans. Okay, so I don't know if this is showing up, but it's actually like a glittery material. It's actually a jean. It's American Eagle. So they're just like glittery blue jeans, zipper, button, and everything. And shoes, they are the holographic Birkenstocks. Truthfully, the footbed is kind of cracked, and it's at the point now where if I could find these again, I would buy them brand new, but I've never been able to find them. But I think replacing the footbed portion is about the cost of buying a new Birkenstock, so that's kind of sad. But thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next teaching video. I will not have any more teacher outfits of the week until next school year because we have 2 more school days left. Thanks for watching, guys.